Hello there and welcome to Music Lessons with Tony Valley. Today we're going to be working on the ukulele and we're going to work on Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. In today's lesson we're going to be working on Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I'll play it through once and we'll go through it in detail. All right, let's break this down. I'm going to go through the chords first for you, and you kind of want to label those out on a piece of paper. A lot of them are going to repeat, but write the pattern, and we'll start off with the F chord. First finger is placed on the first fret, second string. Second finger is placed on that second fret, fourth string. And in this one, you're going to just play the fourth, third, and second string, okay? Now we're going to just add the pinky onto the first string, third fret. Okay? So the F is the same as the F chord, but we're adding in that note right there. So it's F. And then we're going to play a B flat. What we're going to do here, though, we're going to strum all the strings. We're going to put our first finger on the third fret, fourth string, and our pinky on the first string, fifth fret. Okay? And you're going to strum all those strings. And then you're going to move back down to an F chord. All right, with that pinky. Now we're going to play a C7, and that's easy enough. First finger on the first fret, first string, strum all the strings. Back to the F chord. Now we're going to play a C chord, but we're going to play the C chord with our third finger on the third fret, second string, and we're going to strum all the strings there. All right. Actually, let's cut out that first string in this case, and we're only going to hit the fourth, third, and second. And then back down to our F. All right. Then back to the F chord again with that pinky. Then C7. Back to the F chord without the pinky. Then that C chord. All right. Then back to the F with the pinky. C7. Back to the F. And we're going to play the C. And then back to the F, add the pinky, B flat, back to the F with the pinky, C7, F, C, back to the F. Okay, so let's go back over that right there. We're going to play the F chord, regular F, then the F with the added pinky, okay? And that's the first measure. Second measure, B flat, strumming all the strings, and then back down to the F with the pinky. And again, you want to write these down so we can go through this. Then the third measure is C7 and F. Then fourth measure is C and F. So once again, write that down. First measure, F, F with the added pinky. Second measure, B flat. Then F with the added pinky. Third measure, C, C7, and then the F. And our fourth measure is the C, and then the F without the pinky. All right? Fourth measure is the F with the added C7. Then we're going to go with the F, and then the C. All right? Then back to the F with the pinky. Then C7, F without. Then the C7. All right, then F added pinky, B flat, F with the added pinky, C7, F, C, F without the pinky. Okay, so let's go through this. We're going to be picking a few of the notes in there. Our first measure, you're going to play the F, and you're going to strum the fourth, third, and second. You're going to go, okay, twinkle, just like that. So you're going to strum down. Now, if your ukulele sounds a little different, I have a low G instead of a high G, okay? But you can still play it, it's gonna sound great. So strum down with the F chord, and then come up and hit that second string. And then you're gonna strum down with the added pinky. And then you're gonna strum up and hit that pinky right there. So the first measure is, all right? Second measure, you're gonna play that B flat, and then you're gonna come up and hit that pinky. And then you're gonna go down and hit the F with the added pinky in there. And that was our second measure. Third measure is gonna be C7. You're gonna strum them all, but then come up and hit that first string. Then play the F. Then come up and hit that open first string. Then hit that C, strum down, but then come up and hit the second string. And then hit the F. And don't hit the first string on that F right there. So right now, let's go back over the first 4 measures. All right. Now the 5th measure is going to be that F with the added pinky. You're going to go come up and hit that first string. Then move down, C7, come up and hit that first string. Then the F, come up and hit the first string. But now on the C, you're just going to hit the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. Then again, F with the added pinky, strike the first string up. C7, strike the first string up. F without the pinky, strike the first string up. Then C. So now let's go over the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th measure right now. All right. Next measure is F, and only hit the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. Come up, and then we're going to hit that F chord with the pinky in there, then strike that first string up, then B flat, then you're going to strike that pinky right there that's on now on the 5th fret, first string, then back down to the F with the pinky, then C7, strum down, pick up 1 string, F, pick up 1 string, then your C chord, only your 4th, 3rd, and 2nd, hit your 2nd string, and then F. And you're only hitting your 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. So let's do the last 4 measures right there. All right, that's the end of that right there, and then it's just going to repeat. I'll play it through one more time for you, and I'll speed it up a little bit. There you have it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. If you have any questions about this lesson, please feel free to email me at TonyValley@TonyValley.com. We'll see you for the next one.